Happy Sunday, guys. So this is not going to be one of my regular videos. I am actually participating in a spring tier tray collaboration with my girl, my friend, Kay with At Home with Kay. And Kay, this first DIY is the one I talked to you about last night. Let's go. So in my first tiered tray design, I am taking some 3 of the octagon shaped wood rounds, some tumbling tower blocks, and I am getting ready to stack them, and you will see what I mean when I say stack them. So before I go there, I am going to paint these 3 pieces using some of the Waverly brand chalk paint in the color plaster, and then I have some decorative paper that I will be cutting out into the shape of this wood piece. And the 2 colors that I'm going to use, one is going to be one design, and the 3rd layer of this piece is going to be a different design. But nevertheless, as you can see, in 3 sections, I am going to be putting 2, 4, 8, 12, 16 pieces or tumbling tower blocks stacked to make the floors. And as you can see, here's the last set, which I call the balcony. I am actually outlining for this piece, and I paused here, guys. This collaboration is with my girl At Home with Kay. Please go and support her after you finish watching my video. And in this second tray design, this is a 2-tier tray design. I am using some of these beaded wood pieces from the Dollar Tree. One is in a circular pattern and the other one is in an oval pattern. And I'm taking an old medicine bottle and I am wrapping it in some jute twine from Walmart that will be the centerpiece or the stand to hold up the top portion. Guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you anytime I upload anything to my channel. And also make sure after you finish watching my video, you go and support Kay and show her some love and support and tell her Joy sent you. We are participating in a joint collaboration wherein we are creating tiered trays, spring tiered trays. And as you can see, I am just making sure I secure this with some of that heavier jute rope that you can find at the Dollar Tree. And then moving on to tiered tray number 3, I'm taking some of those new scallop trays that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And again, I use the medicine bottle wrapped in twine to be the stand for the trays or the legs for the tray. And I'm just centering them and outline the middle tray with some of that pretty ribbon. And then moving on to tier tray number 4, I have these wood round again. I have these rings that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree. I use that plaster paint to paint both the top and bottom layer of this 2-tiered tray design. I have some tumbling tower blocks, glued them to standing, and made sure that they were up against the rings, and just basically painting the rings in this plaster paint. And you will see me distress it using some of that burnt umber paint by Apple Barrel. Now I'm making handles for this piece, and you can choose not to do this. I just did it. It was just something that came to me at the last minute. I really didn't like it after I put it on there, but I was like, hey, whatever. This was a last minute design add-in to this video. And as you can see, I'm burning the phrase off of it, and I just basically made this look like a rope that you would see when you at a park or something. I don't know. It's just in my head, guys. And like I told you, I just heavy distressed in certain areas of this piece, added some of those little cube pieces and put it at the bottom. And for the final spring tiered tray design, I use these plastic pieces that you can purchase from Dollar Tree. And guys, here's the design. I did speed this up. I do have a slower version of this if you want it, but I did not want this video to be longer than 10 minutes. And guys, this is it. This is my Caribbean design. I think this turned out very unique and cute. Uncle T said otherwise. This was an inspired piece by Pinterest, and I think this turned out very cute. And I wanted to keep it true to my style of design, which is rustic farmhouse decor. And I just did a little light distressing on it over top of the beads, and then I just styled each one of these with some spring florals. And I actually love the way all of these turned out. I don't have a favorite. I don't really use a lot of trays in my home. If I do, I have maybe 2. But yeah, I enjoyed this project. I enjoyed creating the trays, and I also enjoyed the fact that I will be giving these trays to other people for their use in their homes. But overall, they turned out really cute, guys. If you have yet to support Kay, if you're not subscribed to her channel, please make sure you head on over and subscribe to her channel. And once you finish watching this video in its entirety, please make sure you go and support her. I didn't do much commentary on this piece, guys, but this is my actual spring decor piece, my spring tier tray. I decided to paint this in these 3 different colors and use the candle holders to be the stands for each. And I think this turned out cute. I did style it in some of those moss balls and just many different things, and I think this turned out cute. Guys, again, if you're not subscribed to Kay's channel, please make sure you subscribe to her channel, show her some support. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. Until the next design, bye.